Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we have a giveaway video. I'm trying to do these monthly. It seems like we're getting them every other month at the moment. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, so stay tuned to see what you could win. The rules are: 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. 2, you have to write a comment in the comment section just saying, I don't know, let's see. Don't write a handle because those messages get deleted. Write what your goal is for 2023. Write your goal. 3rd rule is it is international, so anyone can join. 4th rule is my patrons get double entries. So if you're one of my patrons, please comment twice because you get double entries, but anyone who isn't a patron will get 1 entry. So definitely double comment if you are one of my patrons. Then yeah, let's just go cracking into the prizes. So the first prize we have is this Colourpop Extra Toppings eyeshadow palette. I love these little square palettes, absolutely adore them. They're so good for going out. I've just dropped all of them. The next one is a blusher, and I believe this is in the shade Bitten. Yep, which is like one of my favourite shades. Then you get a Beauty Bay lipstick in the shade Jam, which I do own, and I've got them open right now. This is like a lovely purpley, pinky kind of colour. So that's my one. Love that shade. Then you get the eyebrow gel fibre thing. I love this, it actually does fill in sparse areas of your brows. Absolutely adore it, so I thought you guys might want it. Then you get a Revolution lip contour kit in the shade Divine, which is one of my favorites, but Stiletto is my number 1. You get an Alice in Wonderland Beauty Bay palette. I love these little palettes, they're gorgeous. You also get a Revolution Dollar Bill palette. Oof. These little palettes, I'm telling you, you will love it. You'll absolutely love it. You get a Colourpop Him eyeliner. These are like their colour sticks, so you can actually use them on your lids. You'll get a Colourpop lipstick in the shade Infinite Best, which is one of my favourite shades. You get a Colourpop serum blush in the shade Passion Flower. I do love these blushes, and if you don't use them for a little while, just shake them. And then you get 2 skincare items. You get this e.l.f. Mint Melt in the Glacier Fresh Cooling Cleanser, and the last thing you get is this Indeed Moisture Serum. So yeah, those are all the prizes. Again, all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel. That is a must. Write in the comments one of your goals for this year. Anything it can be. I'm always inspired. Number 3, it is that this is international. And number 4, my patrons get to enter twice. You just have to comment twice, and everyone else who's not a patron of mine, you get one entry. If you do want to become a patron, it's in my description box down below. We have a Telegram group. I'm starting to do giveaways on there as well. So yeah, and you just get to see like my day-to-day life, and you get to chat, and we just all talk about makeup. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a big huge thank you, and thank you for subscribing, joining my journey. We are getting so close to 2K. I cannot wait. I really do hope you guys enjoy this giveaway, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.